ho ho.
We still in Vlogmas, okay. As usual, I look a fucking mess, but I had a rough day yesterday. Yeah, I had a rough night last night, and I went to sleep. I didn't set no alarm clock. I just woke up when the Lord allowed me to wake up, okay? But right now, I'm about to do my homework because this is imperative. I need to get this done because it's due today. And I'm finna turn up and watch some Kardashians. I didn't see none of season 2, so I'm finna binge watch this. I got my coffee here. Of course, the usual. I got hot coffee. I got the pumpkin, the caramel, and the cream. Y'all know what I get. So yeah, today is purely a work day. I'm about to drop Vlogmas 8, I think today. Yeah, I'm gonna drop 8 today. I was trying to drop it yesterday, but like I told y'all, my computer was doing some dumb shit. Finally, it exported properly today, so I can just go ahead and upload it for y'all. And yeah, so I'll be popping in and out today. A mess, chaotic, busy, but yeah, we gonna talk. I'm getting so aggravated. I'm aggravated. I'm trying to edit a reel for Facebook, and I can't trim the clips. Y'all want me to post more reels on Facebook, but if you're not gonna give me the tools to do it, how you want me to do it? I feel like I'm on the phone with Facebook at least once a week. I feel like I have issues on the app at least once a week, and that's unacceptable.
Talk to the manager.
Okay, so look at my head. I look crazy. I'm taking a moment away from doing my schoolwork, and y'all should be proud of me because I'm taking a moment away from doing my schoolwork to remain consistent. I'm about to upload a Vlogmas. And for those of y'all that don't know, sometimes my Vlogmases be coupled into 2 days because I do work a 9 to 5, like I always tell you guys. So it's kind of hard to record and post, Lord have mercy, record and post a Vlogmas in the same day because sometimes I gotta go to work and I do 12-hour shifts, so that cut out a lot of stuff. But anyway, I'm taking a break away from my assignment to actually upload a Vlogmas. Yeah, so I'm putting my my links in the description and stuff. I'm gonna put the links to my tape-ins and a couple other links in the description, and then I'm gonna upload this for y'all, but then I'm gonna get right back to my assignment because the grind don't stop. I have to keep going. I have not eaten anything. I nibbled on like some little snack and bacon, but now I'm actually ready for some food. I don't know what that's gonna be though. Maybe I'll make some tuna or something. Does sandwich spread go in tuna? I'm gonna just ask it what I want to know. Can you use sandwich spread in tuna? Please give me an answer. Tuna and sandwich spread, here we go. Okay. Right, say they didn't let him. I think JJ said that. So you get it. He tried to run off with a coffee. I was like, hey. be a hazard for the community, period. Has a mental health diagnosis, and of these patients, at least 50% have cited issues with remaining compliant and delete. Okay. It's to the point where my vision, I'm starting to get fucking cross-eyed. I have bags under my eyes now again. Usually if I get enough sleep and I'm not like concentrating on something too long or just putting all my energy into something, I don't have bags. Okay, I have fucking bags, and it's 5:00 p.m. because this assignment is driving me crazy. I'm done with it pretty much. I'm like on the conclusion now, but when I say, and it was a fairly easy assignment, but it was very, very time consuming. Very time consuming. If I was ever mentally empty, this supersedes that by like 10. Okay, I have no more left to give. I can't say high quality care anymore. I can't say positive patient outcomes anymore. I can't backspace anymore. I'm just except on the weekend. Assignment turned in. Okay, I'm over it. I can't survive. My brain does not work anymore. My brain doesn't work anymore. It's just empty in there. It's nothing but crickets in there. I have no more information left to give. Okay, how do we come to the conclusion that horses are nosy?
They have a big mouth and, you know.
A big nose?
Yeah.
So that makes them nosy?
Yeah.
Got it.
You in your phone and you in the barn. And they just...
I don't know if they were shaking like that though. When you gave us a miracle.
Lulu. Well, she did it again. She was like...
No, baby, we know. So that you can tell me secret someone leaking not a sound. Why do people feel the need to fuck with me? I literally be like unbothered by anything. Like, it's always somebody on the social media that wants to fuck with me, but some of the girls be like, oh well, I'm not gonna respond. Baby, let me tell you something. Me better be cool. When you under my post talk crazy, you better be cool. You better make sure all your pictures look good. You better make sure you spell all your words right. You better make sure you know the difference between 2 and 2, between here and here, because when I say I'ma heat your ass, you're gonna be done for. He blocked me. He made the comment and then blocked me. Like, what? Why you leave? Why you leave? I was ready to have a good time. Baby, why you leave? You come back. Let me show y'all what he look like. Oh, he blocked me. I can't even. Like, how you come under my stuff and then start talking crazy and then block me? I thought you wanted to get into it. That's why you left that comment. I thought you was ready. See, you weren't ready for that clapback. And baby, one thing about me, clapback is strong. I don't give a fuck who you is. I just got a smart ass mouth. I'm from Chicago, and that's just what the fuck it is. So don't play with me, okay? Period. That's why you acting dismissive, hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. Okay, so hair is done. I'm finished with it. It actually came out super good to me. Like, let me see. I mean, I just need like some type of I don't know, not a designing spray, but like a a shaping spray, I guess, to kind of like this little piece right here that's kind of fly away. But other than that, it came out super good. I cut a little bit more in this area too. First I had some curtain bangs, but then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just do like a bone straight, and then I'm gonna turn around and probably make it curly in a couple days. But I do So I guess I could show y'all what I got from Aldi real quick. It's really not much at all, but I did a little bit of shopping, like $40 worth, because I was not about to carry all that shit, okay? I got waffles, the chewy granola bars. We get these all the time, we love these. And then I got low sodium taco season. I mean low sodium chili seasoning, because of honey, he can't have a lot of sodium, so. And we like the low sodium anyway. I prefer like garlic powder, onion powder over like salt. And then I got this sweet yellow cornbread and muffin mix. Now I don't know if it's giving what's the one, Jiffy. It kind of seemed like they, you know how all these is, they try to like redo shit that we familiar with. So I don't know if it's giving like Jiffy or what, but I'm gonna make this tonight and see what it's giving. I got some white rounds. We like these with cheese, but I'm thinking about like I'm making chili, so you know the kids a lot of times don't necessarily want to eat the chili how it is. They want to eat it like chili cheese, nachos, or chili cheese hot dog or something like that. So I got those for that. And then I got these. Listen, when I say buzz, y'all need to get these if y'all ain't already got them from Aldi. And then I got a regular chili seasoning. Sometimes I mix the two, the low sodium and the regular, just to kind of give me a little bit of salt, but not too much salt. Then I got chicken nuggets. We really like these, mainly in the air fryer. I don't really bake them or nothing like that. And I definitely don't fry them. I don't fry shit in this house, really. Then I got, for the nachos, I got some, basically some queso. I got an avocado. I'm addicted to avocado. Like, I literally eat that shit with everything. I eat it with tacos. I eat it with chili. I eat it on my bread. I eat it by itself. I eat it with rice and beans. Like, avocado go crazy for me. And then I got these diced tomatoes. I guess it's supposed to be like the rotel type situation. I've had these before. It's actually good, but I mix this in my chili and sometimes in my tacos, and it's like super good. To give it like an extra little, you know what I'm saying? Then I got mild chili beans. I want to say I got 3 cans of these. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And then I got dark red kidney beans. Now in my chili, I like a little bit of color. I don't like it to be just one color. I like dark beans, light beans, the veggies, all of the colors together, which I don't know, I'm just like that, you know. And plus y'all know I love veggies, so period. But that's pretty much all I got from, oh, I got some ice cream too, but I put that in the freezer so it wouldn't go bad. Yeah, don't forget to be liking, commenting, and subscribing, y'all, because every little bit helps me a lot. I want to say this is like Vlogmas 10, 11. I don't fucking know. I have lost count of what the fuck it is at this point. I'm just going, okay? I'm really liking my tapings for sure. I don't know what I'm going to do with it in the morning, though. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do with it tonight. Interesting. Because, like, you can't really wrap it up like you would do, like, a wrap. No shit like that. I don't know. What would I do with it, y'all? Y'all comment below. What am I supposed to do with it? Am I supposed to, like, pull it back? Because lately, I just been pulling it back into, like, a low, loose ponytail. Which is cool, but if I'm supposed to be doing something different, y'all need to let me know. But I think I'm going to upcycle this dress that I got. And I'll probably take y'all along with me for the upcycle. but I want to do something with it. Like, it's just sitting in my closet and I'm just not feeling it anymore. And I've been looking at it for a long time. Like, baby, I need to do something with you because this here ain't gonna work. So, Lulu, you want to say hi? Let me move you away from the food. This is Lulu. She's a Shih Poo, a Shih Tzu and Poodle mix. Lulu is 1.5. We took her in, and you know we love dogs in this house. She is our 4th dog. So she's the one that kind of stays in the house, but she is such a good dog. Aren't you a good doggy? You a good doggy, right? But she's so sweet. She loves company. She loves to play. She loves the kids. Earlier today, I bought her a puppuccino cup from, well, I didn't buy it because it's free, but a puppuccino from Starbucks, and she really enjoyed it. But I only gave her a little bit because I don't want her to have like diarrhea or nothing from, the whipped cream. But she did real good, and so I took her with me earlier today, and we kind of just did our little Starbucks thing, right, Lulu? And I guess the family before us was giving her like table food because, baby, when the food comes, she be looking, she be watching, she be waiting. And I'm like, baby, you eat that canine food. You don't eat the human food. And we don't do the human food, okay? So I've been meaning to like introduce y'all to her, but just haven't had a chance to. Right, Lulu? Right? Aww, she's so sweet. So this is the food that I feed Lulu, Caesar. Actually, she doesn't really like this kind. She actually likes the filet mignon kind, but I just wanted to try something different other than the filet mignon. If I was thinking, I would have just stuck to what I knew and what she liked, but I didn't. So now I'm kind of paying for it because she be looking at this food like,
the child don't get out there to eat that shit. So I want some table food.
so this is what I feed her. And I feed her twice a day. I feed her once in the morning. Sometimes if she don't eat her food, I'll just give her the same food at nighttime. I always keep fresh water for her because her particular breed, they constantly need fresh water down all the time. So these are the treats that I feed her. Actually, I be getting these from, can y'all see? I be getting these from the dollar store. They beef flavored. She seems to like beef, bacon. She don't really too much care for chicken, so unless it's like heavily seasoned. So I give her those treats.
We work on the other side of time.
Space time. Ho, ho, ho.